In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI with Slack. This is a quick way to improve team communication and automate tasks using AI directly inside your workspace. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and have access to my Slack workspace. Next, I'll go to the Integrations or Apps section inside Claude or Slack. Now I'll look for the option to connect Claude AI to Slack. For example, I might install the Claude app from the Slack app directory or click a Connect Slack button. After that, I'll authorize the connection by signing in and granting the necessary permissions. Claude will then be available inside Slack, allowing me to interact with it in channels or direct messages. If I want to use it, I can type a message like, "Summarize this conversation," or generate a quick report based on this discussion. Claude can also help draft messages, answer questions, or automate workflows within Slack. If needed, I can manage permissions or remove the integration anytime from the settings. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI with Slack. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.